Hi guys, how are you today? My name is Sarian, and today I am doing, I guess, like a first impression. I don't even know. So on the Smashbox and VLADA collaboration with Smashbox. There you go. I got it. We're in a tropical paradise, kind of. Smashbox sent over the products, and it's lip products. We got some eyeshadows, cheek colors, all that good stuff. If you follow Vlada on Instagram, she does beautiful makeup, beautiful lip art. So everything in the collection is in this beautiful rose gold packaging. I mean, it's stunning. We have the Petal Metal Primer, and this is $39. It's for normal to dry skin. It has shea butter and hyaluronic acid in it. It gives you an instant rose gold glow. Then we have the Petal Metal Shimmer Drops, Rose Glitz, which is more of a pinky liquid highlighter, and Gold Glitz. These are $32. It says to use as a lip or cheek topper or both. Very curious to try these out. The beautiful highlighters. I don't know why this one is different. These go for $39. The packaging is just, it makes me cry. It's so pretty. I've mentioned many times before on my channel that I'm a sucker for packaging. We have one that has pink, but it has a purple shift to it. Then we have a beautiful just gold shade. I won't lie, I've been using this one the last couple days. And then we have this one's like a bronzier pink shade. Then we have the Petal Metal Eyeshadow Palette. This one goes for $29. Mattes create depth, shimmer creates highlight and dimension. Try with our 24-hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer. Vlada's tip, try using lighter shades to highlight brows or inner corners. Oh. You're getting 8 shades and it's $29. If you're new to my channel, I have a fake silicone hand that I do swatches on. And you're probably thinking, what the F? Since I have tattoos, I felt like it was changing the colors of my swatches. And tattoo artists use this hand to practice tattoos. It's thick, it's heavy duty, it's pretty legit. I thought these were cream eyeshadows, but they are the Always On Petal Metal Liquid Lipstick. So there's 3 different ones. I thought they were liquid eyeshadows, so at first I was like, oh my god, this is gonna be so amazing on my eyes. We have the shades XO Vlada, In Bloom, and Desert Rose, so they're very gorgeous. Liquid lipsticks go for $24. Then we have the Be Legendary Petal Metal Liquid Lip. These are also $24. These have more of a glossier finish, and we have the shade Petal Metal, XO Vlada, and Rose Magic. Then we have 2 eyeliners. The Petal Metal Liquid Liners are $24, 24K Rose. And then we have the shade Black Rose. And then lastly, we have the Petal Metal Shimmer Spray. So this is a setting spray, but it also has a shimmer in it. So it's gonna give you the all over luminosity. Not like your normal setting spray that's really gonna set and like keep you matte and shine free all day. This one's gonna add some shine and some glow to your face. So just a little heads up about that. And this is $39. Woo, that's expensive. I'm going to be using the face primer. So this has a shea butter and hyaluronic acid in it. Now it does give a luminosity to the skin. So if you have larger pores or you're more on the oily side, you might not like this primer. But if you do have larger pores, like in targeted areas, what you can do is cocktail face primer, which means you can use a pore refining primer where you need it more, which is usually like right in here and on the nose, and then go in with the luminizing face primer in just like certain areas, avoiding the spots where you put the luminizing primer. I'm using the Crown blush brush, but I like this for foundation, for powder, for my primer. All right, so I have my foundation on and my concealer and all that. I'll list everything in the description box below what I used. I haven't put powder on yet because I want to now use the drops. Should I use gold or rose? I think I want to do rose. And I want to put this on before any type of powder because honestly, when I put liquid or a cream on top of my powder, it always eats up all my makeup. And I rarely use cream highlighters because of that reason. I use so much powder underneath my eyes because of my hyperpigmentation. So I'm going to use my finger to apply and just dab it on my cheekbones and hope for the best. It's pretty, but it's not showing up too much on me. I think because I have so much concealer on, maybe? I don't know. Oh yeah, this one's starting to eat up my makeup. See? I have the lightest touch too. And then when I use a sponge, it's probably just gonna eat it all up. So it just ate up my makeup right there. Can you tell? It just doesn't, creams just don't work over hyperpigmentation. I don't know what it is, but it just never sticks. Put my foundation, I patted it back over that. I'm just gonna stick with the powder highlight. For highlight, I wanna use this one. It's the pink with, it has like a purple shift to it, but it's gold. It's a little bit of everything. There's no name on the back of it, just a sticker. I have my Ray Morris mini Kabuki brush. Ooh-wee. When you look at me straight on, it looks like I have a bunch of yellow right here, right? Like a bronze. And then I turn, and that's when you get that pink. I like this part, but the dead on part, I don't know about that. It just looks like I got too much of bronzer with shimmer in it, and then I turn it, it's like shabam. I'm using a brush with nothing on it and just hoping to like kind of soften the highlight so it doesn't look so bronzy on my cheeks. Okay, maybe just don't layer it that heavy. I don't know. So I primed my eyes. I'm gonna do this shade right here. So I just place that all over the lid, all the way up towards my crease. I want to do this shade right here. Placing this on the edge of my lid, coming up towards my crease as well, so like the outer V. And then taking a blending brush with nothing on it, going back and forth to really smooth and soften it. I'm taking this lighter shade with a small brush and placing this right in my tear duct. I'm also going to place it right at the arch of my eyebrow. This shade right here, the deeper matte shade, with my small brush, placing it at the lash line to give a smokier look to the eye. I'm going to take that same shade and place it along my lower lash line, right down here. Oh yeah, it's almost like a purple, not a brown, or a plum I should say. And then switching to this crease color I had, or the outer V color. It's right along, I don't know, I just kind of like place it wherever I feel. So like right here. I'm gonna take a little bit more of the purple. I want to add a little bit more. I'm gonna take this shade right here, the highlight shade, place it right on the center of my eyelid for like a pop of light. Ooh, I love this. It's so soft, just romantic. What do you want? Ooh-wee. Okay, let me do the other eye and I'll be right back. So I'm gonna try the setting spray. Let's hope for the best. Ooh, ooh, it smells like roses. Oh, I got a big glob right there. I got some globage. I'm extra shiny. I kind of like it though. The only thing is, like, it came out like in glob. The setting spray definitely made me luminous, more luminous. I look like I'm in the jungle, illuminating. I just see those models who are like super luminous, but they also have perfect skin. When you have a lot of texture on your skin, it's just not a good look because you can see every pore and every bump. And I want to be flawless model-like and have luminous skin, but at the same time, I just see like my pores and stuff I don't want to see. It even got in my eyebrows though, so my eyebrows are kind of glittery now. Let's do a liquid lipstick. I'm gonna do XO VLADA shade. I've got so much shine going on right now. I don't know if these lips are just like, it's too much. Now I'm going to try out one of the glosses. This is Petal Metal. Okay, let me do my mascara. And maybe I won't look so dead. Maybe I'm just not used to it. I never do like metallic lips. I don't know. Hold please. Okay, so I put on a coat of mascara. I didn't put on any lashes because I have lipstick on my teeth. What do you think? Final thoughts? I really like the eyeshadow palette. I think it's beautiful and it's, I keep saying this, romantic, but it is. It's very just beautiful. I like it. As far as the lip products go, I think I'm just not used to metallic lip products. I don't know if I've ever worn them before actually. Have I? I don't know. So I just feel like I look like a little too much. You guys let me know if you like it on me. The highlight, you guys saw what happened. I like the gold one. I think I like the other ones as eyeshadows. They're creamy, and I just love the packaging of them. Drops, I am gonna have to just pass on these. Just ate up my makeup, and I bet you if you put this in lotion, it would be pretty. Ooh. The setting spray, very luminous. Okay, it's in my eyebrows. You can see little specks of glitter in my eyebrows. I think on the body, Gorgina. I put it on my hand. Like you could see a little bit of a luminosity to my hand. The only thing I'm not liking is some of the glitter that's mixed in with it comes out in globs. I think everything is definitely made for a certain somebody. I keep catching a glimpse of myself and I'm like, girl, you are shiny. All right, I hope you have a great day today. You make good choices and I think that's it. Bye guys, bye.